Good morning, students. Are you ready for today's art lesson? I have something very interesting for you. Can you read on my sheet? Fairy we are going to draw. I know you all love fairies, right? You love reading books, watching animated movies and cartoons related to fairies. And you read fairy tales. So today I'll teach you how to draw a fairy. And along with the fairy, we'll make a very cute mushroom fairy house for her. Let's begin, children. To start making, first we will draw the fairy, and for that, draw a circle or an oval for the face. Once you do this, let's make her hair by making these curves. You know, fairies are very kind and very nice. They are always very helpful. If they see that somebody is in trouble or somebody needs some help, they come rushing and they help that person. But then when they are helping someone, they also really like people who are very nice. Though they are good to everyone, but they really like kids who are good kids, who are helpful to everybody. Now once you do this, eyes, nose, you all know how to make. I've taught you human beings. Draw a little M for the lips and then a U. If you feel that this is a little difficult, then you just can make a little smile for her. Now let's make a crown for our fairy. Yes, she's wearing a crown. And now it's time to make her hair. But before we make any further, let's first make 2 lines for the neck. Close. 2 lines for the shoulders. Bring this down to make her upper body. And then let's make her dress first. You can make any other design on her dress that you like. I am making this. She's giving her some belt and accessories. We can give her a necklace. You can make flowers on her dress, whatever you like. And then from the shoulders, 2 lines out, 1 from the armpit, and we are making the hands. Now see, children, what I'm doing next. First make 1 thumb, okay? Make a U and then 1, 2 and 3 lines. You get 4 fingers. Once again, 1 thumb. This time again make the U and 1, 2, 3 lines. So 4 fingers. Now I want to make her wand with which she creates all the magic for you. So how to make the wand? Draw 2 lines like this, passing through her hand. Actually, I've taught you the easy one. And then a star on top. Now how to make the star? I'll tell you the easy way. Easy way is make a triangle. Then on top of the triangle, make 1 sleeping line. Bring this down. From this side also bring it down. And our star shape is all ready. So this is her wand. And A bit of her shoes will show. Okay. Now, yes, where are her wings to fly? Wait, let's first complete her hair. Okay, and now let's give her wings to fly. Now, how to make the wings, children? Just like you write a number 3, mirror image, ulta number 3, and idhar we are writing a seedha number 3. Wings are done. You want to make some design, you can. Otherwise, without the design also, it's very nice. Now, where is her little mushroom house? You all have seen mushroom? And do you eat also mushrooms? Mushrooms are very healthy. Now, to make her house, you will first make a semicircle, all right? And then draw 1 and 2 curved lines like this and join. Okay? Here is the door, a rounded door. You can show the door open. I've already taught you how to make a door open and closed. Let's draw windows. Let's make a chimney. You can draw these dots on the mushroom. All right. Let's make some stones that make a path that goes to her house. Now at the back we need one line to draw, show the ground and the sky. So a drawing of a lovely fairy and her cute little mushroom fairy house is done for all my lovely students. Next class, I will teach you how to color this. Bye.